I'm rebuilding my entire life, and I'm doing it publicly. I run a lawn care company, but somewhere along the way I realized that I wasn't just building the business, I needed to also build myself. I'm launching a second business soon, and it's starting from zero, and I want to document the entire journey. Because for a long time, I felt like there was something missing, and there were a lot of things that I needed to change. So this is day one, a fresh start, a new chapter. And if you're also in the rebuild phase as well, follow along and let's rebuild together.